getting some video of the house, and in this crazy wild wind in this court. And I wanted to show some of my old neighbors. Like the Kraus house is incredible. They did in the back here. And there's some trees down. And the side of the house. So they got a new air conditioning unit since I lived here 25 years ago. This was a shed. It's crazy. They have a little shed house out here too. So I knocked on the door and nobody answered. I didn't want them to think it was weird of somebody to be walking around the house taking videos. This is not even. There was a door out from the basement, and that's about the only thing that looks the same to me. Everything else is totally different. Alright, here we go. There's a tennis courts, and this was all trees. You couldn't even see through it. And there's a little creek that runs in between, and the creek looks like it's dried up. Especially with all the rain that's come by. And this yard, holy cow, this yard did not end here. This yard went all the way down into these trees. Our yard ended, holy cow, about here. Yeah, it all ended about here. So they've lost that much of the yard. That's insane. And they got all these tree things. So then, like you could jump the creek. This was a working creek here. And now it's all just dried up. Wow. I mean, this is crazy. This was, oh God, right here. Yeah, right here was where we took all of our grass clippings and leaves and stuff. And we had a big pile right here. You couldn't even get in here. It was all filled with like leaves and a pile of sticks and grass and stuff. So, and you definitely couldn't get over that way. It wasn't easy anyway. You could, but it was all kind of blocked off with trees. Oh, there's a bird. So here's the creek. There's actually, the creek is cut off right here. That's bizarro. And there's a little bridge that kind of looks the same. I might have to go over that bridge. So, used to play here. Oh, there's a tree down. And this whole area, wow. Nuts. This is just crazy. Ugh. You leave somewhere for 25 years. And it's not home anymore, is it? It's totally crazy. So tennis courts, they look like the tennis courts when I lived here. They were in bad shape then. So here's the tennis courts from the Flower Valley Park. Here's this little bridge, and there's a path that ran all the way down that way to wrap around this place. And yeah, this bridge looks totally, yeah, this is the same. This is an old freaking bridge. And we used to drop like things here and then follow it to the other side, or vice versa. I don't know which way it flowed. And then I'd walk over here and there's a basketball court, which is, basketball court's still there. And there was a field, oh, and there's somebody in the field. Okay, so there's a field up this way. And I'll never forget, like I was walking around one day, and this was all wooded. I mean, these were like heavy trees. And I saw some couple like making out right here when I was a kid. It was in the trees in here. Okay, so here we are. This is just wild how, okay, first everything looks small. The trees look like they've been just ruined. I don't know if it's because it's winter or what. And then here was this basketball court, and they had, that was at one time enclosed and had toilets in it. but they never let you in the toilets because it was always vandalized. There's a place that I don't remember. This is the basketball court. This is still my court that I lived in. There's my house, there's the Clyningers. Paul, appreciate this. And then this wrapped around going down Sunflower. And here's the basketball court that has been here for ever and ever. It still looks okay. It's okay, I guess. And that took you over to Hornbeam. Well, this was the park. Doesn't look like much of a park anymore. And here's the creek. And this is the creek at my house that I'm convinced all the pesticides came down into and caused neurological problems in everybody. So I'm gonna see if I can. I mean, this was a good sized creek. I mean, it was always running and always going. It looks like crap now. Whoa! And I almost dropped my phone. So, okay, so here we go. We're heading back to my house, which I would never have. Yeah, here we go, because there's this curve here. I was gonna say, I never went this way. I always went around the back of the house and then into the park. So here we go. Hopefully I can get over. Look at the back, what they did to that house. That's wild. And I made it over. And whew, and back to the house. And I can't believe the whole little compost heap is gone. And some pole here, probably marking the property. They got some gardens, we didn't have that. Oh, so many times cutting the grass right here. God, I love it. Hated cutting the grass. Amazing. All right, childhood home. Jeff Helander, here it is. And we're going by my little bedroom. There's my bedroom. I'm gonna back it up from the bedroom. Wish they were home, I'd say hi. A couple of guys live here. They've lived here, I don't know. It's been like 10 years or so, I would say.